Morning student. In the previous classes we have already completed our chapter 4 from civic section. Chapter 4, key elements of democratic government. Today we will going to solve book exercise of chapter 4. Okay. Now let's we continue our first exercise. Exercise E. Exercise E from book multiple choice question, MCQs. Okay. Now our first question is the system of apartheid was based on. It is based on the racial discrimination. Our answer is racial discrimination. Racial discrimination. Okay. Now our next question is apartheid was dismantled in South Africa in the year 1994. Answer is 1994. Okay. Now our third question is choose an incorrect statement. Which is the incorrect statement of this third question? Elections are the very heart and soul of a democratic policy. It is true. Yes, now in the democratic policy, elections are the very important. Elections role is very important in the democracy. You know? And next one is regular elections limit and check the power of the government. It is necessary for the democratic government. Okay, na? So it's also a true statement. We found the incorrect statement. Okay, na? So our incorrect statements, comments is that in democracies are elected for an unlimited period. No, it is elected for a limited period. You know? Fixed period, limited fixed period. So this statement is the wrong. Governments in democracies are okay. Now our fourth question is there is a dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu over sharing water of which river? It is Kaveri. Okay, as we know, it is Kaveri. And our next question is which court is the final adjudicator in case of dispute between two or more states over sharing of river water? Which court? Our final decision of which court? It is Supreme Court. So our answer is Supreme. Our next question is which of the following is not one of the key elements of democratic government? Which is the which one is the not of the key element of democratic government? Election is the main key element. Resolution of conflict is also a key element. People's participation in governance also a key elements of democratic government. And next and last one is acting regardless of public opinion. पब्लिक ओपिनियन को रिगार्डलेस एक्ट करना ये की एलिमेंट्स इसका डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट का नहीं है. सो दिस इज नॉट a key element of democratic government. So our answer is acting regardless of public opinion. exercise true or false. Okay na? Exercise B. Or exercise B is true or false. Our first statement is apartheid is a rule of cricket. It is true. Apartheid is a rule of racial discrimination, है ना? It's based on the races. So it is not a rule of cricket. Okay. So this statement is false. Okay na? Our first statement is false. Kaveri water dispute is between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It is true. Okay. And third one is electronic media consists of television, radio, computer. It is also true. Okay. Now our third statement is true. Now fourth one is in a democracy the government is not run according to the wishes of the people. This is in democracy the government is run according to the wishes of the people. ना लोगों की इच्छा के अनुसार ही चलती है तो वो डेमोक्रेसी है. उनकी इच्छा के अनुसार जो नहीं चलती वो डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है. So this is the false statements. And now fifth one is gender discrimination does not exist in India. Gender discrimination इंडिया में exist नहीं है, मतलब अस्तित्व नहीं है उसका. This is true. ओके ना? क्योंकि इंडिया में ऐसा कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता है. ओके ना? So our exercise A and B is completed now. We will come to our exercise C. Very short answer. Okay. So students, now we will come to our exercise C. Very short answers. Okay. Our first question is name three key elements of a democracy. So our answer is equality, rule of law, and citizens' participations are the three key elements of a democracy. Okay. And now our next question is what do you mean by apartheid? What do you mean by apartheid? Our next question is, our next answer is answer 2 is a policy of system of segregation or discrimination on grounds of race. Okay? तो race की base पे जो discrimination, segregation is also a discrimination होता है उस system को उस policy of system को apartheid कहा जाता है. Okay ना? Now our third question is how long can elected government last in India? कितने साल तक रह सकती है elected government? So an elected government can 5 years last in India. 5 साल तक रह सकती है ना? We discuss about in our chapter है ना? So our next question is state the most important form of people's participation. पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन का इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्म क्या है डेमोक्रेसी में, है ना? सो द आंसर इज वोटिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन इंडिया. ओके ना? इन इंडिया और इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. ओके ना? नाउ और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन द टर्म मीडिया. और वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन द टर्म मीडिया. मीडिया से आप क्या समझते हो, है? तो our answer 5 is the term media is defined as one of the means of general communication as entertainment in society. Okay, so students, we have completed in our class today exercise A, B and C. Students, I will give you exercise D and E, short answers and long answer on your website. Thank you.